I turned $7 to more than $100 using the ICC Forex Trading Strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you beginner-friendly step-by-step guide to help you build your small capital to make it something really worthwhile so that you can grow in this Forex trading journey. Now, to start with, look right here. This is the small account size. Yeah, like I told you, this is $7. You can see the trade that I placed here. So how did I do it? Now, let's get to the chart section so that you see. This is on the 5 minutes time frame right now. You can see the entry. And now on the 1 minute time frame, you see exactly where I entered. But let us go first of all to the 4-hour time frame, because the moment you want to place a trade using this ICC strategy, you follow the direction of the higher time frame, which is 4 hours and 1 hour, to know the direction of the market. So you can see it's uptrend. On 30 minutes time frame, it is uptrend. So why did I place a buy right now? You see that formerly it was coming down for a moment, which I have taught you and shown you over and over again that this time is called correction. So I needed to find the continuation, and because it's a very small account size of just $7, that's why I didn't use the 15 minutes time frame. Look here, this is where it actually began. You see that all this while XAUUSD price has been pushing down beneath, like it has been mining. Okay, so as at this point, I noticed that, man, there is a challenge here. The sellers be like, no, we are going to push down. We're going to go deep. And the buyers be like, no way. We have tolerated you enough. We need to push gold price to the top. And now, the sellers, you see, this is a massive challenge right here between the buyers and sellers. So as at this moment, I knew that it's actually time to make that bold move right here. Of course, it's bold. $7. You want to raise it to 100. Now, you see right here. Now, lest I forget, remember that Forex trading is risky, okay? So in as much as you might be excited, you want to raise your account size and you start cashing out and the rest of, you can lose it at the exact same moment. So you must respect risk. And if it works, you repeat it, okay? Yeah, so that's basically it. I don't know if you forget, make sure to hit the thumbs up right now. Click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload I'll make in this regard. Share this to help beginner Forex traders. And now look here. Like I said, while this massive challenge between buyers and sellers was happening here, I said to myself, man, now is the time. So it continued. So instead of sellers to push it all the way down, buyers began to gain momentum. Buyers began to take over. You see, at this swing high here was the moment I was expecting to actually make an entry, but I needed a confirmation. So it kept on pushing. So I needed something to hold as correction. So that's why I waited until this bearish candle here. The moment it was going up, I had to now catch it here. Okay. Yeah. So for trading ICC, all need to understand the overall trend of the market, right? Because you know that ICC is indication, correction, then you buy the continuation. It's as simple as that. And you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, it's an uptrend. So there was a correction. Then to find out exactly when the continuation was beginning to happen, that's the reason I had to zoom to the lower time frame to find out where it wants to continue. And then I place this particular trade. But in case you really want to get into Forex trading, but you are scared of when to buy, when to sell, make an entry, make an exit, you can actually check this video description and join others in my VIP Forex Signal group. Now, the next thing you need to understand as a beginner Forex trader that want to build very small account size is that you don't have to try getting $100 out of your $7. Like, you don't actually have the emotional acumen to wait and let this play out, okay? So you can compound it gradually, okay? So while you're trading, if you place a particular trade and you get $5, like write exactly why you placed that trade, what exactly happened, and then repeat it. Like you can do it the next day or the moment you find that opportunity again. Never try to recover the moment you lost something little. Like you can take a walk and free your mind so that you don't lose the little you have, man. Remember that ICC only gave me the edge to play straight. It didn't give me the discipline and the emotional strength to let it happen. So without discipline, your strategy could just be noise. Remember also that while you're trying to set that particular trade, ensure you have a stop loss so that that one slight massive push doesn't have to empty your account. All right. Now, in case you just want to start, okay, but you've not tried before, you can actually start with demo account and practice and see exactly what it is, where you made a mistake, so that you don't go doing trial and error with your real account. Now, if you're joining Forex trading for the first time or you have somebody that wants to join, share this video with them. Let me know in comment section what exactly has been the mistakes you have made in Forex trading or the area you want to grow better in. Type Ovampa right on in the comment section if you want more videos like this. The next video on your screen will help you to even understand ICC Forex trading better. However it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.